Guys, it is set for volatility, the market today on London session and New York session, not New York, New York session. We're gonna have at 6 p.m. German GDP, and then at 7 p.m. we're gonna have GDP from Eurozone, and then at 10 p.m. we're gonna have German CPI. So Euro dollar, Euro yen, Euro pound, Euro CAD, Euro Aussie, all Euro CHF as well are set to volatility. All right, so there is volatility ahead, and it's plenty of volatility. All right, let me tell you why. There are main two things, the main two reasons why we can expect a lot of volatility coming today. But before I tell you, stay with me until the end of this video that I will disclose what am I trading at this moment and why I've revised my predictions from yesterday's video on today's video for German CPI as well as GDP for both German and Eurozone. So stay with me until the end of this video that I will disclose to you. So first of all, give us a thumbs up on this video, share this content with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This is the most important thing. As we always posting content here, you will get notified when we post something new on a daily basis, all right? So I'm guessing you have subscribed to the channel. I'm guessing you have thumbs up this video, so we can start. All right, guys, so if you haven't yet watched yesterday's video, I've talked about the German GDP and German CPI and the GDP from Eurozone. The market is a little bit, I would say, for German GDP, pricing a downward move on the GDP. The GDP for Eurozone is as well expecting the year-over-year to pricing a bit better than the previous, but the quarter two is expected to be a little bit below than the previous. And the German CPI, we're expecting 0.3% from the previous of 0.1% month over month, and no changes from year over year. What are my expectations? All right, so there are main two things happening at this moment. All right, we have ECB coming to the media and say that they need much more data to see if they're gonna cut another or if they will leave the rates unchanged again. Don't forget that we do have the Fed, we do have the Bank of England, and we do have Bank of Japan this week. All right, so even though we still need more data, and the data that the Europe need is the CPI and the GDP plus the labor market and retail sales. These are the data they are looking for, and we're gonna get one of the data tonight, the GDP for Eurozone and for German, all right, because German gets below the ECB. We're gonna get the German CPI and the GDP as well. So my expectations are that we did have an increase on energy prices, and therefore we may see an increase, some variable, some mixed numbers on the CPI, okay? Now, for the GDP for German and Eurozone, because we're only going to get CPI for German, so the GDP from German and Eurozone, I'm expecting a bit of a growth there from yesterday. I was expecting to be neutral, but I'm looking at the data right now that came in from France. That came in from France GDP quarter over quarter and year over year. We didn't have a consensus, but the previous of the year over year quarter two were revised up, same as the quarter over quarter two was revised up as well, and the actual for the quarter over quarter two came in 0.1 higher than expected. So look, is there a possibility for we see higher numbers on the GDP tonight for Eurozone and for German? My take is yes, and we can see a stronger euro as well compared to not that strong, but maybe we can retrace back. I have the numbers here, let me just grab it for you. So we're trading right now at 108.20 at this exactly moment. We may see euro dollar coming back to the levels of 183, 185, okay? These are my pullback levels, not take profits. I still believe on the downward move on euro dollar, but for now, I do believe on a pullback. Guys, I hope you could understand. I hope you could take something out of this video. Don't forget that tonight this afternoon actually, from 5 to 6 p.m., we're gonna have the webinar. So make sure to be there and I will wait for you. Again, thumbs up on the video, share this content with your friends and subscribe to the channel. I see you tonight or I see you in the next video. Bye bye.